Hi everyone, I'm Miss Abby. This is Logan and Caden, and today we are going to be making pop-up Mother's Day cards. I've had some help from Logan on mine, This is what they're going to look like, and if you hang out for just a few minutes, I'll show you how to make one. The materials you'll need for this project are paper. I'm using just regular computer paper for the inside and a piece of cardstock for the outside, but you can use computer paper for the outside too, or you can use newspaper, whatever you've got on hand. You're also going to need a pair of scissors, a pencil, a glue stick, and something to color with. I have some markers, I have some crayons on hand too. You can use whatever you have. So if you have colored pencils or paints, you can use those. First thing you're gonna do is take a piece of computer paper. I've got regular computer paper. You can use cardstock, you can use newspaper. You're gonna fold it in half. We always called this hamburger style.
Yay!
And then you're going to draw your flower basket. And you're gonna draw your flowers. And these are just gonna look kind of like a cloud, maybe with a couple of leaves. And you've gotta have one flat part. That's gonna be your fold. All right. Now I'm gonna use a pen, but you don't have to do this. You just have to remember not to cut that part. I'm gonna use a pen so that you guys can see the dark parts. I'm gonna make the parts dark that you are going to cut. That you're gonna cut? Are you gonna cut it, Logan?
Yeah.
Yeah? I'm gonna let you cut another one after this.
Me?
Yeah.
That would be so fun.
I'm gonna let you color it too. After you draw your basket and your flowers, you're gonna cut out all along this dark line and leave this just pencil line uncut. That's gonna be your fold line.
Yeah. Scissor Fritz.
Scissor Fritz?
Yeah.
Stop.
Scissor Fritz.
What is Scissor Fritz?
Scissor Fritz.
What is Scissor Fritz?
Scissor Fritz.
All right, so I'm cutting all the way up to that line, the pencil line, but I'm not cutting through it.
Yeah.
And then we're gonna turn our cutout piece inside out. And turn that fold inside out. Now you can run over it with your fingernail, make it really flat, and you have your first pop-up. Now we're gonna color it. So I'm just gonna grab a handful of markers. You can use any colors you like. These are the ones that I'm gonna use today.
And then on the dark purple.
You wanna do the dark purple?
I have it.
All right.
Okay. My basket. My basket.
Yep.
I'm gonna do my purple there.
All right.
Basket color.
And then I'm gonna do some leaves.
Hey.
And Logan is gonna color a little bit on here too.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me.
You.
I drawed a Scissor Fritz.
A Scissor Fritz? That's what Scissor Fritz looks like. This, everyone, is a Scissor Fritz. Okay. I'm gonna add a little bit more green in there.
And then make another Scissor Fritz
Okay.
for you.
Make another one.
I'm
gonna do some orange flowers, and all my flowers are just gonna be little circles. We'll do another one right here.
this little circles. Why is
And you can add some more lines whenever you pick another color to the last one that you did. Those are fun. I'm gonna do some purple. So you're gonna continue doing that until you like what you've got. Lots of flowers and lots of colors, whatever colors you like. I did one of these really quickly earlier so I wouldn't have to do the whole thing in front of you guys for the video, so you can just watch and then make your own. Once you're happy with your coloring and your flowers, you can see all of my flowers are just scribbled circles, but they look really cool once they're all mashed together in there. Just add some green in between and it looks really fun. Then you're gonna take your blue paper. Well, my blue paper, your outside. This can be any other paper that you like. It can be another piece of computer paper. It can be a piece of construction paper. It can be a different color of cardstock or the same color. Mine just happens to be blue. And you fold that in half as well. I use my thumbnail to make the crease really sharp. And then we're gonna put this on the inside so that it folds up like that. And we're gonna do that by gluing all of this. So I'm gonna take my glue stick and I'm gonna glue. I'm actually just gonna glue around the edges, but you guys can glue around the inside too. Whatever you need to do to make your card as secure as possible. So I'm gonna glue one side at a time. There's one side. Press that down really good.
ooh?
So the last thing you're gonna do is glue your other side.
Hey, I'm the glue too.
You are?
So
That's so fun. I'm glad you think so. And then you're gonna glue that down.
okay, I'm the hat. Why is it purple? Why is it purple? Why is it purple?
Because that way I know where I glued and where I haven't glued yet. Okay, so make sure that your pop out comes out. And there you go. You can write anything you like on the inside or the outside. I am going to take a
The purple.
darker marker.
I can see that purple versus
And
on
write
white paper. I go.
Happy Mom's
Day.
Day. Yep. And Logan's gonna add some more glue to it for me.
Add.
I hope you guys had fun. Please post anything that you make using this tutorial on Facebook or on Instagram and tag the library so that we can see what you made. To all the moms out there, happy Mother's Day.